Welcome to MFX Center's 2-Minute Trading School, where 2 minutes a week can change your trading life. Before progressing further, let's look at the disclaimer. In today's video, we'll be talking about 7 deadly investment sins mentioned by Warren Buffett and George Soros. But first, let's ask a question. Why we fail at trading? The most common question of all. I have a very simple answer. Because we are cursed with making mistakes and committing sins which are keeping ourselves in a low category in the trading world. So in this video, we'll discuss 7 deadly sins of investment discussed in the book by Mark Tyer. The book is named The Winning Investment Habits of Warren Buffett and George Soros. You can order the book from Amazon.com or you can look at your nearest bookstore. So let's go to discussing the sins. The sin number 1 is believing that you can predict the next move of the market to make big returns. But in reality, highly successful investors or traders are no better at predicting the market's next move than a normal, informed, and literate trader. What I am talking about, the informed and literate trader. If you can understand the market context, price action, divergence, volumes, and use a bit of a common sense, you can actually be a better trader like Buffett and Soros. I know they are a big shot right now, but when they started, Buffett and Soros, they were not a big shot right then. They started small, they started to compound their money, and now they have billions of dollars in their bank account. So you can also be that person, but you need to understand that you cannot predict the next move of the market. Do you know that Warren Buffett and George Soros is not even bothered what the market is going to do next, because they make a good amount of analysis before getting into the trade, which we don't. So they look for probability, but we look for ensuring or assurance that the market will move this way. So that's the first move. Second sin is the guru belief. You can have a mentor, but having a total guru belief that whatever your guru says you'll be seeing in the market, that is like blindly following a blind person. Right. So just ask yourself, if you could really predict the future, would you shout about it? No. But a mentor and guru it has the difference here. If you have a mentor, he will be guiding you to understand the probabilities of the market, but he will not be trying to be a guru who will be telling you that whatever I say, the market is going to obey. So that is the thing you need to understand, that every person can make a wrong decision, but the guru will be telling you that he cannot be wrong and he can predict the next move. That is like the sin number 1, what I have told. He makes the sin and he also helps you to make the sin again by actually guiding you through it. So don't have the guru belief. Understand what your mentor is doing. Understand how he sees the market and how he predicts the market's next move by understanding the probability. Now move to the sin number 3. Is believing that inside information is the way to make big money. But in reality, as per Warren Buffett, insider information can make a millionaire broke in a year. Warren Buffett made most of his money without any kind of insider information, but when he started to get insider information, he was performing worst. So as per Warren Buffett, his favorite source of information is annual reports. Now let's move to the sin number 4, that is diversifying. It can be a bit contradictory, but you need to understand that diversifying a small amount to a wide range will not help you to grow wealth. For that reason, Buffett made most of his fortune from just concentrating on few companies and taking huge positions in them. As an example, let's look at Coca-Cola. He made a huge amount of investments on Coca-Cola, and he made a lot of money, rather than diversifying to small companies where you will not be making any kind of money and you'll be losing a lot. That moves us to the sin number 5, believing that bigger risk equals to bigger reward. But in reality, successful investors are highly risk averse and do everything they can to avoid risk and minimize the losses. Whenever you are taking a trade, you might be thinking, if I take a bigger lot or bigger size, that will help me to gain a great amount of profit, but also will come up with bigger risk. That is quite true, but you need to understand that making a good entry into the trade will help you to minimize your risk and maximize your reward. If you want to understand that more, I am here to help you to understand the risk reward, and that is our next video that is coming next week on our YouTube channel of MFX Center. Then we move to the scene number 6, the system belief. That is the holy grail trading system. There are many people that are looking for this. But let me tell you one thing, that there is no single system which can make you a billionaire or even a millionaire. Understanding the market context, price action, volumes, and proper psychology actually can help you to be a better trader, rather than a system with thousands of indicators indicating you something else. The biggest trading system you can get is your mind. If you can train your mind with proper trading knowledge, you can be successful, like what MFX University student does in the market. You can also join us with the lifetime access. The link is below in the description. Just hit like, subscribe, and click on the link and join us for the lifetime. Then let's move to the scene number 7. That is the last but not the least. That believing you know what future will bring and you know every move of the market. I met a lot of traders who actually claims that he knows where the market is going next. Yeah, with proper kind of understanding, you can actually predict with greater amount of probability, but you cannot say that the market will be moving higher or lower from this point. Even a strong support and resistance zones can be broken like that. So in reality, no one can know what next candle or next day is going to bring, not even Warren Buffett and Soros. So we cannot predict the next hour of our life, but we always think of predicting the future of the market and believing in that religiously. So it is one of the biggest pitfalls as a trader which he can get into. So after discussing all these sins, what we should actually concentrate on? We should actually concentrate on the probabilities. What are the chances? Develop a probability-based mindset and try to have a proper mentor for your trading career. And we are here to help you in this case. So just click on the link of MFX University, which is given in the description of this video, and you can actually get into the lifetime access with a great amount of discounts. And if you have a lifetime access, you're getting the 1,000+ minutes of courses, you're getting exclusive live setups, weekly video commentaries, and everything that a trader needs to understand the market well and have a proper guidance. And we also have a monthly webinar which will help you to understand and communicate in the community better. So thank you for watching this video, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel, because we provide great amount of videos about trading every week. So next week we are going to discuss about the risk reward ratio and how you can make a great amount of money just by understanding the risk reward ratio. So thank you for being and watching this video with us. Take care.